Hey, it's Dom from 12 Tomatoes bringing you creamy jambalaya pasta. Yes, those jambalaya flavors don't just belong to be paired with rice. We can also pair it with some pasta. We're gonna make a beautiful creamy sauce to pair with all of those smoky jambalaya flavors. So some Cajun roasted shrimp and some smoky andouille sausage tossed in a beautiful cream sauce with a little Gruyere cheese to add a little French funk to it. Absolutely. Let's get into it. So first thing you want to start with is a little shrimp and Cajun seasoning dressed with a little olive oil. Toss it all together, get it nice and seasoned. Then you're gonna melt some butter and olive oil in a pan, get it nice and hot and add your shrimp. Get a nice sear on that shrimp, just 2 to 3 minutes each side, and then throw in your andouille sausage and just get a nice sear on it, as much fat as you can render out just to get more flavor into the sauce. Then what we're gonna do is add in our onions and peppers. Get a nice caramelization on those onions and peppers. Cook it for about 4 to 6 minutes. Season it with a little salt and pep. And then you're gonna add in your minced garlic. Let that garlic get nice and browned, nice and caramelized. Then we're gonna add in our cherry tomatoes. Let those cherry tomatoes pop and whittle down a bit, and then we're gonna add in our cream. We're gonna reduce our cream sauce until we can kind of draw a line through it with a spatula, and then what we're gonna do is add in all of our Gruyere cheese. Oh yeah, baby. Give a little French twist. Then we're gonna add in all of our protein back, mix it all into that sauce. Let that sauce coat all of those beautiful shrimp, and then we're gonna throw in our fettuccine and then coat that fettuccine in that sauce. Look at those twists, baby. Add in a little fresh parsley for some color, and then we're gonna twist until we can't twist no more. Look at that pasta, baby. Oh, jam-packed with sausage and shrimp and all those classic jambalaya flavors. Ooh, you gotta try this summer.
12 Tomatoes.